In this video, I will show you how to make an Acuity scheduling website. So I'll go over everything you need to know in order to get started and in order to start booking appointments on your scheduling website created by Acuity Scheduling. So to get started, simply head over to acuityscheduling.com, and from here you can get started for free without needing to enter any payment details. So simply click right here. That will take you here. Now from here, just sign into your Squarespace account if you already have one. If you don't, then you can also go and sign up from here. So then it will start your trial, and you won't be billed automatically because you haven't added any payment details, so you don't have to cancel it. But now it will just take you to Squarespace, and from here we can actually get started using Acuity Scheduling. So welcome to Acuity Scheduling. Get started with your scheduling page. Now from here there are 3 steps that you will need to take. The first one is to create your appointment types. So whether you have personal or class appointments, just select whichever one it is. In this case I will go with personal, then here enter a name. I'll just say massage. Then here the duration, let's say this one is 50 minutes. And the price, you can also enter it right here, but this is optional. I do recommend doing that so that it is actually displayed on your site. So I will say $50. Then here you can click view additional settings, and from here you can add more types. Now just click back right there in order to go back here. And once you have entered it, just click create appointment type. So we have now set up one appointment. Now next you want to go and set your availability. So right here you have the days and the hours. Now you can also click add row right here, and then you could say, for example, if you want to have a break at 1 p.m. then here you can choose that, so 1 p.m. and then from 2 p.m. until let's say 7 p.m. then you're open again. You could do that as well. So just enter your opening hours here and then go and click on save. Then next you can actually start designing your scheduling page. So first you can pick a template, so either monthly or daily, and monthly is best for clients booking more than a week in advance, and daily is best for when clients always try to find the earliest convenient time. I'll say daily, then here enter your business name. Now here you can see what your calendar is named. You can change it by clicking right there. Then here select your industry. Then you can go and upload your logo right here, or if you don't have one, you can even create one through this link. Then here write the scheduling instructions, so this will be public and people can read this. So for example, you can write what people need to bring or how they can actually schedule and stuff like that. Then here you can choose when you want the week to start, so either Sunday or Monday, that's just your preference. And the time format, so 24-hour or AM and PM. And then here you can set a language. Now here you also have a font, so you can change it if you want to any of these, but I'll just keep it to the standard one since I think it looks pretty good. Then here you have the button/accent color. So from here you can just pick one that kind of matches with your business. For example, I'll say this blue one and click on save changes. Now over at the right here you can see what it all looks like, and now just click save right there. And now you will see what it looks like. Now this is the logo that I uploaded, but of course you want to go and upload the real logo. Now if you click expand preview or view live right here, then you can actually see what it will look like. So right now I have these 2 services, a consultation and a massage. You can see the time they take and how much it costs, so then they can click on book. Now they can choose a time slot for this, so let's say Monday right here 11:30. Then they can click continue or add a time, so they can have multiple ones or set up a recurring time, but I'll just go with this one. Then here they need to enter their first name, last name, phone number is optional, and their email. Then once they click complete appointment, they will get the confirmation right here, and then you will be able to see that right here in your calendar. Now what I recommend you to do first is to actually maximize your time with these features, so enable payment for bookings if you want to collect deposits from the scheduler, so you can connect to Stripe, Square or PayPal. Then you can automate client communication through intake forms and more, so you can import client lists right here. You can add video conferencing with Zoom or Google Hangouts. You can sync an email provider like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp, So then you can send the automated emails such as appointment confirmations. You can create custom intake forms where you have some questions that people need to answer. You can create custom client emails, and you can send text message reminders, which I do recommend setting up to decrease the amount of no-shows. So you have a template here, you have an upcoming appointment with your business name on this date, and this will be sent automatically. Now you will need to pay for this, but I think it is worth it. Now you can also create your own one as well. Now you can also create gift card, packages, coupons and discounts. You can connect to the apps that you need like Google Calendar and more. You can connect to Facebook and Instagram, and you can connect to your accounting software. Now one important thing to do is if you have multiple people working on your team, then you will need to have multiple calendars. To set that up, just go right here to the availability. And now here you can add a new calendar, and then you can add a calendar name, so that could be the name of the employee, or it can also be a different location, and then just add the image, the location, etc. Here in rooms and resources, you can also set up resources such as the available rooms or chairs or whatever. Now from here you can also go to calendar settings to change anything you want. For example, if a specific week you will not be available on Monday, then you can go and set that up as well. Now back here, you also have some more settings such as the appointment types, so you can create more types of services and group classes, etc. And you can duplicate them if you want, if they are pretty much the same. Now you can add a color code to them so that you can easily tell which one it is. And I recommend just going through all of this and seeing if there's anything here that you need. For example, a scheduling page link you will find here. Now you can also change the link name to whatever you want here, and this will be .as.me. But if you want to connect a custom domain, you will need to click on the 3 lines in the top left, and you will see in Squarespace you have the scheduling section here, which is what we are using right now. But you want to go and click on domains in the left, and from here you will be able to also connect a custom domain. But you can also create a booking button right here, a booking bar, and you can basically embed this page onto any website. For example, if you already have a website, you can just take this code and then implement it on that website and add a booking button on your website that links to this code, and then it will basically take them to your link right here, which in my case will look like this right now. But you can also have more appointment types, you can have more calendars, more employees and stuff like that. So now you know how to make an Acuity scheduling website. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.